so let me talk about, first of all, the origin of the word VUCA. Because the theme of this leadership masterclass is leading the VUCA world. It's important for us to understand what is VUCA, how does it come about, and why is it so important today? No one has claimed the original as the original author or the coined the term VUCA, but it started in the US War College in the 1990s, where the end of the Cold War. If you remember, back in the 80s, when the president of the USSR, Secretary General of the USSR, Mikhail Gorbachev, and President Ronald Reagan at the time, has decided to break impasse in the Cold War. And the Americans face the biggest challenge now, because during the Cold War, we all know who are the enemy, the big USSR. The Americans today face the biggest challenge at the time, because they look who else, now that the USSR and the American has decided to collaborate and work together towards a more global order. So the challenge now is, how do we then identify who are these so-called enemy of the state, so to speak. And what happened, the US War College has designed programs to help these military leaders, to help them to understand this. Of course, the military scholars studied the impact of leadership, even before the World War I, World War II, and of course go through the September 11, and of course the current period of global shifting. So the word VUCA has great significance today, in light of what's happening in Europe, Brexit, the impact of Brexit into global trade, looking at election of Donald Trump as president, with the Trump administration policies of trying to be more isolationist or maybe more protectionist, which means that organization has to understand the impact of such practices on their business.